Welcome everyone. Today's video will cover tips and tricks to help you get ahead when using Solana. The first tip is to always do your trading through Jupiter. Jupiter is a DEX aggregator. So what that means is that Jupiter will always give you the best possible price when doing a swap. If you do your trading elsewhere, it's likely you're going to get worse rates when doing swaps. You will save money when trading on Jupiter. The second tip is to use Tensor when trading NFTs. Tensor is an NFT marketplace aggregator, so you're able to buy floor NFTs for the cheapest price when trading on Tensor. Previously, you might have had to search all of the NFT marketplaces to find the cheapest floor NFT, but Tensor lists them all together in one place, making the process far easier. Tip number 3. So if you're a Solana user, basically every action that you take creates an account. So whenever you create these accounts, a little bit of rent is taken out of your wallet, and that's in the form of 0.02 Sol. If you've been around a while, you've probably got a ton of these empty accounts lying around that you could gladly get rid of and then reclaim some Sol. So if I go to my wallet here, go down to NFTs and press hidden collections, I've just got some random NFTs sent to me that I just don't want anymore. I mean, I'll keep this Drift Alpha ticket, but the rest of them, you know, it's just nonsense that's been sent to my account, mostly scams. What you can do is you can click on them, click these little dots up here, and then press burn tokens. Once you've done that, look, I get a rebate, 0.002 Sol. Cool. And then we'll burn these tokens because I don't want them anymore, and I can get my Sol back, so that's another $1. So you could do that manually through your Phantom wallet. But let's just say you've had a ton of NFTs sent your way, and that might just take you a while. So you can go to Incinerator.com and just do it here. Press select all, confirm burns, you know, sign a couple transactions, and it's just as easy as that. Every time you want to trade a new token, a new account is opened up. So this Avalanche Allbridge and UXD stablecoin, let's burn these. I get 0.04 Sol back, I think. Yeah, there we go. Confirm. Awesome. Now if I go to clean up here, we also have some vacant accounts and serum accounts. So let's just read what this does. NFTs require a token account to store in it. Whenever you list or transfer this NFT, this account is left vacant. However, this empty account can be closed to return a small storage fee of Solana. The same applies when performing a token swap on an exchange. You may create a serum account to store some swap related data. Again, this can be closed once the swap has finished to reclaim some Solana. So I can do this and then confirm the burning, and I can also do this for my serum accounts. Tip number 4. Here's a useful tool that allows you to input your address, and you can check out if you are eligible for an airdrop. It will tell you if you are eligible and how many tokens you are eligible for. Tip number 5. Now, when you actually want to go about trading meme coins, you might see something popping off on Twitter, for example, or someone recommends you take a look at a coin. Then you can go to birdeye.so, type in whatever token you want, and it will actually give you charts. Buying meme coins, I mean, you know, it will help that you actually like monitor the price a lot, because oftentimes these things will actually rug. But let's just say, for example, we want to take a look at Bonk, which is quite popular right now. So you can see it here. And if you wanted to, you can connect your wallet here directly. You don't have to go to Jupiter Aggregator. I mean, it's still powered by Jupiter, but you can swap through here and it's quite easy. You can go onto the trending tab, see what's going on. Rocky, Raj, Pyth, Crown, find gems, that sort of thing. And so this is the place you want to go if you want to chart random Solana coins. Tip number 6. If you want to track your Solana portfolio, you can use Step Finance. Once you connect to it with your wallet, or you can put in any Solana address, for example, it'll start giving you stats, previous transactions, and it will show you all the NFTs that you have here as well, where you're farming, so on and so forth. So this could be a valuable tool to use. Tip number 7. Have you ever been annoyed with coins that are cluttering your wallet? Well, here's an easy way to get rid of them. Click on the Manage Token List button and simply uncheck the token you no longer want to see. Return to your wallet and you will see that it has disappeared. Tip number 8. There are countless stories of people visiting the wrong address for a crypto website and getting scammed. You can avoid this by always making sure to go to the crypto project's Twitter account and then following a link to their website from there. But sometimes it's hard to find the right Twitter account, so instead you can use the Phantom Wallet. Simply navigate to the Apps tab in the bottom right of the Phantom Wallet, then search for the app that you want to use. After searching, you can click on the icon, which will take you to the right website. Tip number 9. Did you know that you can create multiple wallets that are tied to the same seed phrase? You can do this by clicking the 3 parallel lines in the top left corner. So this should look different to what you're seeing on your screen. So here we can see the various different wallets that I've actually set up. So if I just go down here, I can press add or connect wallet, create a new account, and then it will open up an account 10 for me here. Obviously I can change the name. I can just call it DF and then change the avatar as well. I won't do that right now, but I just press create and it'll take me to a brand new wallet. Now this can be useful if you just want to split up your activities between different wallets. You might have one wallet that is specifically for NFTs, another wallet where you do all of your trading. Tip number 10. When using DeFi on Solana, you should aim to use the protocols that do not yet have a token. Protocols without a token will usually airdrop tokens to their users, if they ever release one. You can find Solana DeFi projects by going to defillama.com/chain/Solana. Once you are there, you can click on a protocol which takes you to the protocol page. If you see the market cap information here, you know that you won't get an airdrop from that protocol. If it just says total raise, then you're in with a chance of getting an airdrop. So that was it for this video. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more videos like this one.